free apps that will save you money on everything. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be going through all the free apps that you can get on your PC and mobile that will save you money off on everything, okay? And these apps can be discount apps, sales, coupon apps, and a whole lot more. So the first app that I have in store for you is Honey, okay? Now, Honey is probably the most famous application that I'm going to be providing on this list, and the reason for that is because Honey is used by a lot of people. And the reason for that is its easy accessibility. Honey is simply a browser extension that automatically finds and applies coupon codes at checkouts when shopping online, helping users save money on their purchases. Okay. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to come to joinhoney.com, and here you're simply going to click on add to opera. It's free and it's going to give you an extension. And wherever you go, on whatever store you go, it's just going to give you discount codes and coupons basically. So over here, you can see a shopping tool that does all the work for you. Apply coupons with a click. Earn gift cards just for shopping. Honey plus PayPal at your service. And why spend more when you can add Honey in right now? So simply go ahead and get it. It's totally free and it's totally incredible. Used by above 17 million members. So pretty incredible. And it's a pretty great application. Then moving on, we're going to talk about another great application. Now, this application was formerly known as Ebates, but now it's called Rakuten. Okay, so Rakuten is basically another online coupon and cashback application. All right, so it's a lot like Honey, but it's obviously a bit different because it used to be Ebates, and a lot of people used Ebates as well. Rakuten basically offers cashback and discounts when users shop through their platform at various online retailers. Users can earn cash back on their purchases. All right. So it's pretty great stuff. And then, the way it works is you can join it, sign up for a free account in less than 30 seconds. You can shop on it where you can start shopping on Rakuten. Okay. Then you can get paid. Watch your cashback balance grow, then get paid via check or PayPal. Then moving on, you can obviously see how many members they've given back in cashback, how much discount you like 10%, 8%, 6%, pretty decent discounts. And, it pays to shop with Rakuten. Numbers don't lie. All these people use Rakuten, and it's a pretty great and incredible way to save money for yourself. Now, moving on, another platform that we are going to discuss is Retail Me Not. Okay. So Retail Me Not is an application where, again, you can save coupons, promo codes, and a whole lot of other things. Okay. You can get great cashback offers for yourself. And again, it's a place for retail. All right. So any of the brands that you like or any of the brands you desire, you can basically go to the different, brands like you have Macy's, Shine, Cabela's, Tarte, Oakley, Samsung, and you can see all these different deals that you're getting. Top deals for cashback. You have coupon code. So for Rag and Bone New York, they're saying you get cashback. For Dr. Martens, they're going to give you a coupon code for 15% off. You get a 2% cashback for purchases site wide on Target. Then you have Walgreens, you have Walmart, Temu. So it just keeps going on, and that's what RetailMeNot does for you. Again, pretty incredible stuff. So RetailMeNot basically provides a platform for finding and sharing online and in-store coupon codes and deals for a wide range of products and services. Then moving on, let's talk about Trim. All right. So Trim is basically a financial management app that we're going to be discussing. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to write Trim app just to, detail it. And there we go. So Trim is basically a mobile application where you can make basic financial applications. It's called a one main trim where you can save money automatically. Okay. So you are going to come over to astrim.com. Okay. And obviously, if your IP doesn't work, you can simply choose a VPN. But Trim will basically go ahead and give you a financial management app that helps users identify and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate bills, and find opportunities to save your money. Okay, So pretty good general stuff that it gives you and pretty incredible sense of money saving Trim has. Now moving on, once we have talked about Trim, we have another great application, okay? And this application is called Gas Buddy. Now Gas Buddy, the reason for Gas Buddy being such an incredible application is its convenience of usage, okay? Because Gas Buddy is, again, an application where you can find cheapest gas stations near you, okay? So, you want to put some gas into your car, but you don't know the place where you can get the cheapest gas. You don't have a lot of money on you and you want to, fill some gas with cheap belongings. And, that's what Gas Buddy is for. It's pretty incredible because it takes in your budget and then it gives you the pump or the gas station you need to go to. And you never need to pay full price for gas again, right? So you can also use Gas Buddy for discount codes on gas. So let's say I'm going to choose New York. Okay, I want to find the top 10 gas stations and cheap fuel prices in New York. So, let's see. The cheapest that they're giving me is 2.7, all right? And they're saying, in Sanborn, New York, 2390 Upper Mountain Road, Patterson's Trading Post. They're saying this is the cheapest gas that I'm going to get in New York. 2.7 is pretty much a steal. So, in general, Gas Buddy helps users find the cheapest gas prices in the area, saving money on fuel expenses. Now, let's talk about another app. Okay, this app is called Flip. So, I'm going to come here and I'm going to write Flip. There we go. So Flip is basically an application where you can browse through coupons, and it's a digital circular app that aggregates local flyers, coupons, and deals from retailers, helping users find the best prices on groceries and other items that come along with it. So over here you have flip.com. So it's a save time and money weekly with digital ads on Flip. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to add in your postal code and it's going to show you the latest deals near you, where you're going to get it, and how you're going to get it. So let's say I'm going to, add in some postal code, and I'm going to go ahead with start saving. And once you click on start saving, it's going to go ahead with your postal code. And let's say I'm going to choose a postal code off of California, okay? And once we take a postal code of California, let's say I'm going to go with 90213. So here, 90213, and you're simply going to put in circulars for 90213. And according to this circular, they're going to basically find different deals and coupons in these locations. And what you're going to do from there is, get all these places. And, we have Dollar Tree coupons, Sporting Good coupons, Ralph's, Food for Less, again, Ralph's, Food for Less. And you can just use these coupons again and again. And it's pretty incredible stuff. So, yeah, that's basically all the ways how you can save money for yourself. So, if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.